Hello everyone! Since you've been asking for them a lot, today we show you 3 new ideas to make some cool fidget toys. Today we make more fidget toys with El Gato Rainbow and La Gata Moon. For the first fidget, we will need 2 pieces of cardboard, 2 little pieces of foam sheet, an iron, we're going to use a flat iron for this, a hot glue gun, a pair of scissors, and something that has this shape. It can be a small ball, but we're going to use the top of this pen here. We got this idea from a subscriber who explained it to us this well in the comments. Let's see how it looks like. We're going to start by heating one of the foam pieces with the iron. We'll have it neither too cold or too hot. And as you can see, I'm doing it slowly and carefully so that it gets warmer. And also very carefully we're going to put it on top of the pan so it gets the same shape because it's hot. And we hold it there for a few seconds until it's cold. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any videos. And remember to watch all the Fidget Toys videos that we have on the channel. We do the same with the other piece of foam. And we're also going to make this shape. And when we have it, it's time to prepare the base of our fidget. For that, I'm going to use this tape. And I'm going to trace the circle inside so that they're not too big. And I'm going to do it twice. Cut it out. And to make it exactly the same size on the other piece of cardboard, I'm going to do this. I put it on top and trace it like this. Perfect. And now we prepare the foam by cutting it this way, making sure that you leave a little margin to be able to put the silicone. And that way it won't escape. And now to make it look even nicer, we're going to decorate it with a lot of colors. A very easy way to decorate it is making lots of little dots. And look how colorful it is! And now we're going to put some silicone around one of the circles, and very carefully we're going to glue the foam on the inside. And do the same on the other circle. Like this. And when we have it, we put silicone all over the surface, making sure that it doesn't fall on top of the foam. And glue the other part on top. And now we give it the shape that we want. And just like that, we have our fidget! It's very similar to the real one. Listen to the sound that it makes. Our subscriber was definitely right. She said that it was almost the same as the fidget that you can buy. And the truth is that we love it. What do you think? Have you ever tried this technique? Leave it in the comments. Now we're going to make the next fidget. This one's super easy. In fact, the only material we will need are pegs. And to make it a little bit different, we're going to use these tiny pegs. And as you can see, I'm simply removing the metal part in the middle. We're taking all of them from the pegs. You can use more or less depending on how big or small you want it. Now we're going to fit them together like this, all hooked one to the other. And finally, we close it by hooking it to the first one that we put. And look! It's very relaxing to move it between your hands, because it makes super cool shapes. This one looks super simple, but you really have to try it because it's so cool. By the way, remember that we have lots of educational resources that you can download from our website? Don't miss them! As always, we'll leave the link to our website in the description of this video. And remember that if you like our channel, you can help us a lot by sharing it with your friends and family. And now we're going to make the last fidget toy. We really wanted to make this one. To make it, we simply need a marble, a piece of mesh, we're going to use this one in which the oranges came, a pair of scissors, a little bit of baking paper, and an iron. And again, we're going to use a flat iron. As you can see, I folded the piece of mesh, and on top, I'm going to put a piece of baking paper, making sure that it's covering the mesh completely. And now with the flat iron, we're going to put it like this, very carefully, just on the edge, and as it heats up, the plastic of the mesh melts and it stays closed. We do the same at the top. And when we already have this kind of tube, we can put in our marble. And now we finish closing it again. And that's how easy it was to make. If you see that you have a little hole, you can go back with the iron and make sure that it's completely closed, so that you can enjoy your fidget without worrying about the marble coming out. And look how cool! The truth is that we love it. We've tried this with a piece of plastic, but this way we like it a lot more. Which of these 3 fidgets did you like the most? Don't forget to tell us in the comments! And as every week, it's time to make the round of greetings. The first greeting is for the familia Heeeello. We also sent a greeting to Iris Peña, another very special greeting to Gato, another one for Jessica Zarza, and last but not least, greetings to Carmina Lopez. Thank you all for watching our videos. And remember that if you also want us to greet you in one of our videos, you just have to leave it in the comments. Here we leave you more fidget videos that you may like. Until next week!